You work hard for your money. But here's what's wild. The average person in 25 has no idea where 30% of their income actually goes. Not because they're bad with money, but because expenses have gotten smarter at hiding. You've got subscriptions charging you on the third Tuesday of every month, apps charging small amounts your brain doesn't register as real spending, and lifestyle inflation that creeps up so gradually you don't even notice you're now spending $400 more per month than you were 2 years ago. The truth? You don't need to cut your lifestyle to become financially free. You need to cut the waste. And I'm going to show you exactly where it is. Let's start with the subscription graveyard. This is costing you probably $200 to $400 a year, and you're using maybe 20% of what you're paying for. Think about it. Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max, Apple TV. Most people have 3 or 4 streaming services they forgot they had. Then there's Spotify Premium, Adobe Creative Cloud. If you're creative, that meal prep service, the fitness app, the meditation app, the productivity tool your boss recommended once. The average household has 5 active subscriptions they don't fully use. That's $150 to $250 monthly for entertainment and tools you're barely touching. Here's the fix, and this actually works because you're not cutting anything you love. Go through your last 3 months of bank and credit card statements right now. Mark every recurring charge. Be honest. Did you use this last month? If the answer's no, cancel it today. Most services let you resubscribe whenever you want. Mistake number 2 is automation working against you instead of for you. Your employer probably offers automatic paycheck deductions for your 401k, which is great for retirement savings. But here's where people get it wrong. They set it and forget it. Then let their actual spending habits stay the same. So your take-home pay drops by $200 a month, and instead of adjusting your spending, you just pull it from credit cards or savings. You end up paying interest on money that was supposed to be protecting your future. The answer isn't to stop saving. It's to automate your expenses first. Set up automatic payments for your absolute essentials: rent, utilities, insurance. Then automate your savings goal, even if it's small. What's left is your actual spending budget. This psychological shift is powerful because you're not relying on willpower. The money's already moved before you see it. Now, let's talk about the convenience tax. This is the money mistake that probably cost you $3,000 to vows per year, and you don't even see it coming. You pay $7 for coffee when you could make it for 50 cents. You order delivery because cooking feels like too much today. That's $30 for food that costs $12 to make at home. You buy groceries at the convenience store instead of the supermarket because you're in a hurry. You pay ATM fees, overdraft fees, rush shipping fees. The pattern? You're paying a premium for speed and convenience. Here's what actually works. Plan 1 grocery run per week, batch cook 1 meal on Sunday, and make your coffee before you leave. These aren't sacrifices. They're just decisions made when you're calm and not rushed. The people who build wealth and aren't cheaper than everyone else. They just make purchasing decisions based on values, not panic. Mistake number 4 is lifestyle creep, and this one is sneaky because it feels like success. You get a raise. Instead of saving the raise, your new normal becomes $300 more in monthly spending. New car, nicer apartment, eating out more, better wine. Nothing's wrong with any of these things individually, but when every increase in income immediately becomes an increase in lifestyle, you stay financially fragile forever. Here's the real strategy. When you get a raise or bonus, commit to banking 50% of it before you spend a dime. Seriously, move that money to savings first. You still get to enjoy 50% of the raise immediately, but you're also building actual wealth in the background. Most people who achieve financial freedom do it by growing their income and deliberately not growing their lifestyle at the same pace. The fifth mistake is the invisible purchases, the small charges so small you literally don't remember them. A $1.99 app you tried once, a $2 roundup on every purchase that goes to investment, that $5 course you never took, the impulse buy on Amazon that shipped so fast you forgot you ordered it. The average person spends a hefty to $300 monthly on these micro purchases. They're invisible because they're easy, but they add up. Literally $2,000 per year of money that just evaporates. The fix here is radical honesty. Spend 1 week writing down every single purchase, every coffee, every app, every checkout button. Don't change anything yet. Just track. You'll be shocked. Your spending pattern will become obvious. Once you see it, you can decide what actually matters to you. So here's how to actually implement this without feeling deprived. First, spend 1 week tracking everything. No judgment, just data. Second, audit your subscriptions and cancel 3 things right now. Third, set up automation for your essentials and savings before you touch anything else. Fourth, plan your grocery shopping and cook 1 meal per week. That single meal saves you $100 immediately. Fifth, when money comes in, bank half the increase before you touch it. These aren't extreme measures. They're just being intentional with money instead of letting money happen to you. The goal here isn't deprivation, it's freedom. Because the people who have financial freedom aren't the ones who make the most money. They're the ones who aligned their spending with their actual values and cut the noise. The difference between being broke and building wealth isn't about earning more. It's about knowing where every dollar goes and having the courage to cut what doesn't matter so you can invest in what does. If this video helped you see where your money's actually going, smash that like button and subscribe for more real personal finance videos that don't treat you like you're stupid. Drop a comment telling me which of these mistakes is costing you the most money right now. And remember, this is educational content, not financial advice. Talk to a real advisor about your specific situation. But start tracking today. Your future self is going to thank you.